up, guys? Matt Chapman here. Today's video, I'm just letting Harry in for a sec. Here's Harry. So I got that one from a friend of mine. Got these two. That one's from a neighbor. That one's from a friend. So today, to my dad, here's this Victor Vite 25, a 25cc engine with a speed feed head now. Yay! So speed feed heads are a really good head to have because of a wrap-loaded head. So I'll show you how this starts. Let's put it somewhere. Put it on the hot water system. Or on the chair. Box on it. Sweet. Alrighty. So lay it back there. Alrighty. So here's the head. Pretty cool. And now let's go start this behemoth. I can't put it on the ground because it's direct drive, no clutch, so it does tend to spin. One pull, gotta love it. Pretty cool. And I guess it's almost his birthday, so we'll cold start. The still FS56, and he got running for me. Alrighty. So it's a cold start of my FS86. Oh wow, that never starts quick before. I love it. Next up, my 2003 Shindala 22F Home Pro from 2003. A 21.1cc engine made by Echo. So let's see how it starts. On, choke, some climbs. Full throttle. Oh wow. let's try the one I got for free by my neighbor. The Homelight model that I got. Oh wow. Yeah, a little fiddly, but it's okay. That's one though, so it's kind of cool. Skies are clearing up here. Alright, let's try and get this free one going from my friend. Alright guys, I'm looking again. So it does need a carb clean, but it did rain before I bought it. And I guess since it's almost his birthday. Alright guys, happy birthday to my dad. Hopefully he has a good year. So this is 2017 Tanaka TCG 27 ESI, the 27.2 cc engine, commercial grade engine. Paid $550 for it from NDIS. On, shark, give it some primes. This one's made in Japan with the Shindawa. Let's see how it goes. No way. Yeah, a little cold maybe. Cold nature, Dad. That's it, Dad. There's the Victor Vipe, the 2017 Tanaka, which is yours. The home light, that's fiddly, but it goes. It's a 26cc engine. 03 Shindao Home Pro 22F from 2003, and my 1972 Stihl FS86. And the unfortunately sad home light that I just finished building. It doesn't start, but it just needs a carb clean. So yeah, thank you for watching, everyone, and happy birthday to my daddy. And shout out to my dad. He's helped me out a lot all these past years. He's helped me with all the mechanical side of things, fixing this Stihl FS86, the Shindao, a lot of my mowers over there. And this one, and those two down there, this one's still the Roby and the McCulloch one. So thank you, Daddy, and I love you, man. Peace out.